All right, seniors. Happy Cinco de Mayo. We're down the stretch here, so we're less than a month. Let's stay the course here. Make sure everybody gets a credit. Help you if you need it, but let's stay the course. We're looking at the assessment on this unit Wednesday, May 13th. So we've just got a couple things left to do. So let's talk about today, Tuesday, May 5th. All right, first complete the May 5th due now assignment. A lot of you, that's really helpful for your grades. Second, complete the Chapter 3, Section 3 assignment. That's due on Thursday, May 7th. Make sure that you look at the comments too. I'm trying to make meaningful comments on each of your assignments after I grade them. So if there was something that you didn't understand, maybe the comments will help. So take a look there. And then there's quite a few of you that have been working ahead, and I think that's great. So if you want to work ahead, continue to do so. Chapter 3, Section 4 is available, and that is due on Monday, May 11th. So you've got quite a bit to do. And if you would like to go back and do some extra credit, I always think that's a good idea. Watch The Big Short. It's a good movie anyways. And then watch the extra credit assignment creatively labeled extra credit activity. You could also complete that. So if you have any questions or you need anything, please ask. I'm here to help you. Let's grind it out. Make sure we finish as best we can. Adios.